Create magical displays in the garden with LAVINNOVA Fairy Wings Collection. And there are 3 colours to choose from: Radiance, Whimsical and Spellbound. And each one of these plants is naturally compact, so you won't have to worry about pruning them all the time, but do give them a trim after flowering. And talking about their flowers, the plant gets completely smothered in blooms for a very long time, providing your garden with long-term colour. These lavenders are perfect for creating sways of colour in the garden, and they look great in borders or planted amongst other shrubs or even in pots. And if you have a nice veggie patch, these are the perfect plant for attracting friendly garden pollinators. The LAVINNOVA Fairy Wings Collection are Australian bred lavenders, so they will tolerate the Aussie climate, and they grow best in a position where they get full sun all day and in a soil that is well draining. And don't forget to give them a really good feed a few times a year to keep them happy. For a spring garden filled with colour, look to the LAVINNOVA range of lavenders. Discover the full collection at lavinnova.com.au.